Hey, what's going on, Dap? This is Tony G, man. Just really want to real quick give you a show you what this drone is capable of. Though I don't have much footage of people in concerts or anything like of that nature of probably the stuff we'd be doing, but I just wanted to show you the capabilities real quick. Everything will be recorded in 4K, of course. But here I'm about 2,600 feet away from this tower, and I'm able to zoom in and get still, clear 4K HD video. So I can be as far as away from the stage as I need to be to ensure, safety and all that good stuff, and still get, really good close-up video or photo of the event going on or whatnot. I also can do audio. So there you are. There's just a little clip I just wanted to show you again, just what this thing is capable of.